So we're here fixing the really old lineup of ovens that probably should not be fixed again. This one has a super plugged pilot tube.
It's my favorite brand.
This one still works too.
Yeah.
What's your favorite band?
Montague.
Montague.
Yeah.
Wow. The second rendition. I think the first rendition they came out with in 1840, and this one was like in 1901. Over here, this one. Let me show you the problem. I've just taken apart the pilot orifice. I'm guessing it's restricted, or I was guessing. I definitely know it's restricted now. But check this out. I gotta push in the safety valve button. There we go.
What do you mean there's no pilot?
Yeah, it lights just fine. See that cute little flame?
It could totally heat up that standing.
Yeah, this
The thermocouple. Oh, it's burning in a new spot now.
That's getting interesting. So we're gonna clean that out quick and then put it back together.
Just need to grab the wire gauging brooch, right? Isn't that what it's called?
There it is.
Wire gauging
Straggler.
tool. This is a very important tool. You must protect it very nicely because it's very tiny. Ooh, yours is bent on the end a tiny bit, isn't it? Or is it okay?
I think it's okay.
It's okay.
I should almost brush it slightly first.
I think you got it probably. Try lighting it again.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Woo!
It's like a jet.
That's a lot better. I think we got it. You're right.
So it won't even burn?
No, it won't even stay lit.
It won't even burn because it's got to have that little diverter.
Yep. Sweet.
Nice. We'll reassemble. It'll be good.
Alright. Got it put back together. Let's see how it looks now.
Oh.
Much nicer, much bigger flame.
Fixed. Problem solved.
Oh, yep. And staying lit. What do you know?
You know what's weird? Those wire gauging brooches are really hard to find on the internet to purchase.
Yes, I just sent somebody a link or a part number for one, actually, because...
And what's a good alternative is actually a carb cleaning kit. Those like $5 carb cleaning kits come with those super tiny little needles.
oh, okay, yeah.
Can be a good option, but they're usually not quite as fine as that. That's good. Over here we're cleaning out this orifice for this burner using this little spring here, and I think I got it poked in there. We'll see if it works.